अस्सलामु अलैकुम क्लास 12th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें। आज हम ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन इन एनिमल्स और एक्सक्रीशन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स के टॉपिक्स को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक्स आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर आते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहली इमेज, ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन इन एनिमल्स। व्हाट इज ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन? Osmoregulation regulation is the process by which animals maintain the balance of water and solutes in their body fluids to keep internal conditions stable homeostasis. उर्दू, osmoregulation वो प्रोसेस है जिससे एनिमल्स अपने बॉडी फ्लूइड्स में वाटर और सॉल्यूट्स का बैलेंस मेंटेन करते हैं ताकि इंटरनल कंडीशन स्टेबल रहें, यानी होम्योस्टेसिस। Why is it important? Animal cells cannot survive a net gain or loss of water. Water continuously leaves and enters the cells. Therefore, the quantity of water and solutes must be kept in balance. Urdu, animal cells water के net gain या loss से survive नहीं कर सकती। Water continuously cells में आता जाता रहता है, इसलिए balance जरूरी है। Two approaches in maintaining osmotic balance. 1. Osmoconformers. Animal body fluids are kept isotonic to the external environment. They do not actively adjust their internal osmotic state. 2. Osmoregulators. Animals whose body fluid concentrations differ from the environment and actively regulate the discharge of excess water and retention of salts. Urdu. Osmoconformers body fluids co-environment के बराबर रखते हैं. Osmoregulators actively regulate करते हैं. Osmoregulation in different environments. 1. Marine environment saltwater. Most marine invertebrates are osmoconformers. Marine fish generally maintain lower internal salt concentration osmoregulators. They excrete excess salts through gills and possess salt-excreting organs. They drink seawater and excrete small amount of concentrated urine. Some fishes retain urea in high concentration to balance osmotic pressure. Urea is converted into non-toxic TMAO. Urdu. Marine invertebrates mostly osmoconformers हैं. Marine fish osmoregulators हैं. Excess salts gills से निकालते हैं, seawater पीते हैं और concentrated urine निकालते हैं. 2. Freshwater environment, hypotonic. Freshwater animals face osmotic flooding. Protozoa pump out excess water by contractile vacuoles. Most freshwater fishes do not drink water. They excrete large volume of very dilute urine. They take up salts actively through gills and skin. Urdu. Freshwater में water अंदर आता है, fishes dilute urine निकालते हैं और salts actively लेते हैं. 3. Terrestrial environment. Main problem is loss of water by evaporation. Protected by body coverings, exoskeleton, keratinized skin. Drink water and obtain from moist food. Desert animals survive without drinking by metabolic water and concentrated urine. Anhydrobiotic animals can tolerate dehydration. Urdu. Land animals water loss से बचने के लिए body coverings, concentrated urine और metabolic water use करते हैं. Key terms: osmoconformer, osmoregulator, isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic. अब दूसरी image, excretion in plants and animals. What is excretion? Excretion is the process by which living organisms remove metabolic waste products produced in their cells and maintain internal balance homeostasis. Urdu. एक्सक्रीशन वो प्रोसेस है जिससे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स रिमूव करते हैं और इंटरनल बैलेंस मेंटेन करते हैं. व्हाई इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट? प्रिवेंट्स एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिक वेस्ट्स, मेंटेन्स वाटर, आयन एंड ऑस्मोटिक बैलेंस, helps in maintaining normal body functions and survival. Excretion in plants. Waste products include CO2, excess water, organic and inorganic substances. Removal through gaseous wastes via stomata, water loss by transpiration or guttation, storage in vacuoles, storage in old parts, leaves fall, secretory structures into soil. Urdu. Plants में CO2 stomata से, excess water transpiration से, wastes vacuoles या old leaves में store होते हैं. Factors promoting excretion in plants: large vacuoles, leaf fall, slow metabolism, less nitrogenous wastes, diffusion of gases. Excretion in animals. Animals remove nitrogenous wastes. Three main forms. Ammonia, toxic, needs lots of water, aquatic animals. Urea, less toxic, moderate water, mammals. Uric acid, least toxic, saves maximum water, birds, insects, reptiles. Urdu, aquatic animals, ammonia, mammals, urea, birds or reptiles, uric acid niकालते हैं. Adaptations. Aquatic animals, mostly osmoconformers. Marine bony fishes excrete salts through gills. Terrestrial animals, prevent water loss, concentrated urine. Desert animals, very little urine, uric acid, metabolic water, tolerate dehydration. Origin of nitrogenous wastes. From proteins and nucleic acids to amino acids and nitrogenous bases to amino group to ammonia, urea or uric acid. Key takeaways. Excretion maintains homeostasis. Plants remove wastes by diffusion, storage, leaf fall. Animals adapt according to water availability. Osmoregulation and excretion are essential for survival. Dear students of Botany Study Hub, इन topics को अच्छे से revise करें. Osmoconformers versus osmoregulators, different environments, nitrogenous wastes का forms और plants में excretion याद करें. पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत important है. Channel को subscribe, like और comment करना ना भूलें. Best of luck, study smart, score high. Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.